The Food Service Exchange presents.
This is our basic food processor. I'll show you how to put the blades in, how to turn it on, basic operation. Okay, you lift the handle. This is a pusher. You put your product in here and you push it with this. You never push it with your hands. To open this, to put in blades, simply turn the handle, open the top. This is to push the product around so it falls through the bottom. It slips on. There's a small J hook in there. Then we would put, say, a dicing plate in it. You would put that in. There's a notch in the side right here that allows it to stay in place so it doesn't move. Then you can put your blade on. Your blade has a ramp on both sides, two blades. You put that on the center, drop it in position, rotate it. It falls in place. Now you can close the cover, rotate it until it locks. If this is not in place, the machine will not work. To turn it on, you'll go start, stop, rocker button here. If you simply push it lightly, it will not start. In order to start it, there's a double click. You have to push it all the way in to hear that second click in order for it to continually run. Now you can put in product, it stops, you can put it in, it automatically starts back up. Until you're done. You just shut the machine off manually, or if you rotate the handle, it will shut off. I prefer shutting it off by the on-off button. And when putting in attachments, this pushes the product around as it's going. There's a J slot here, and you put it on. Just let it rotate into place. Now if you want to dice, you would put this plate in. There's a notch right here, and on the plate you just line those up, you put that in. That allows it not to turn. Then you would put the cutting plate on it. This is a cutting plate that we would use that would ramp up and push the product through for dicing. Put this on, simply rotate it until it locks in place. Now you can close the cover, rotate the knob until it's completely closed. Now you will push start.